You modeled it perfectly, but your texture still looks bad. The problem isn't your model, it's your UV workflow. Let's unwrap this crate the right way. Let's open Maya and create some unusual texture. To get an idea about UV unwrapping and what is the UV, it's just a 2D plane for 3D texturing. Okay, so we need to create a UV for this cube, for this crate, but I want to make it clear, like how to use UV on a simple cube or a simple sphere or a simple cylinder. So that will be a help for new beginners. So yeah, it's a cube. Go to UV editor, and you will get this kind of 2D segment. Okay, so now let's check with this shape how to create a UV for this cube. Go to create and make it out this section. So we are having here automatic, camera based, cylindrical, planar, spherical. So mostly we are using cylindrical, planar, and spherical. Okay, so these are the base for UV unwrapping techniques. As because it's a plane surface, so we should use planar. So first of all, go to face mode and select your face. It's y-axis, so planar option box, y-axis. By default it should be like reset, it should be on x-axis, so make it y, and project, so it's here your first UV map. Now bottom also it's y-axis, so press G on keyboard or come to here, planar, y-axis, project, make it out. Next, this is Z, as you can see here, z-axis, this one, and that one is z-axis, so go to planar option box, make it z-axis, project. Now it's overlapped, just press here Ctrl U to unfold, Ctrl L to layout, press R and rotate, then make it out. Okay, now these are for side x axis, planar x, and project. Again Ctrl U for unfold and Ctrl L to layout. Now select everything, Ctrl U, unfold, Ctrl L, layout. Now check it here, checker map, make it on, and also click here to get this view. Like your UVs should get inside this 0 and 1 box. Like if you are going to check that it's 0 and it's here 1, it's here 0, it's here 1, so your model should get inside within this 0 and 1 box if you're not using UDIM. Okay, so it's properly unwrapped, object mode, and done. This is the default UV, it's here stretched, so you should create proper square uh, checker boxes for a better texture. For this kind of sphere we should go with face mode, select this top area, make it here planar, y-axis, project, Ctrl U, unfold, again bottom part, press G on keyboard, repeat action, Ctrl U, unfold, make it out, and this one is the base one. Use here cylindrical, Ctrl U, unfold, and rotate, and just select everything, Ctrl U, Ctrl L, layout. So it's here proper UV for this sphere. Okay. Now there's an option spherical. If I'm going to delete this UV, then go to create, sorry, edit, delete. Now it's gone. Just use spherical and check how's it coming. Control U unfold. It's here stretched. Control U unfold. Now this one. Again, you need to make it proper with cut. So select this edge loop. I'm just selecting this edge loop. Now hold shift, right click. There is cut. Again, this edge loop. Double clicking on this edge loop. Now hold shift, right click, cut. Okay. Now select everything and Control U unfold, Control L layout. Now check your checkers. It's properly square, but still it's not in the right way. On top version, it's here stretchy, and on bottom, it's proper. But still there is some issue, like it's here open. So we should use Sew. So right click, edge mode, select your edge, open edges, and just hold shift, right click, Sew. Then face mode, select this one, Control U unfold, Control L layout. Now check it's proper squared. So edge mode, select your edge, hold shift right click, Sew. Now again face mode, selecting, Control U unfold, Control L layout. It came, make it out. This one. Now if you think there is some issue, then you just create another cut, select your edge, and hold shift right click, cut. On bottom part there is some issue too, so select this one and just selecting this one, hold shift right click, cut. Then again select everything, Control U unfold, Control L layout. Now check it came proper. Okay, so this area, these two lines, make it right click, hold shift, Sew, face mode, select, Control U, here also Sew, select, Control U unfold. This is the UV. Okay, so this is the process for spherical UV unwrapping. This was the default UV where top and bottom is properly created, but there is some issue for this cylindrical shape. Just selecting these faces and Control U unfold, Control L layout. This was the part 1 where we cleared the foundation of UV unwrapping using cube, sphere, and cylindrical shapes. In the next video, we will apply all of this to a real hard surface model, our Sci-Fi Crate. That's where theory becomes production level. So if you are serious about clean texturing, stay tuned. See you. Good night.